There are birds outside the window and Tofu thinks he can get them. Also, he's gotten so big. Hi. He's also gotten way more cuddly. Don't you even. Don't you even. I'm closing this. There. No, you're not opening the window. Tofu. Come here. Come here, kitty. Oh, you still see them? Tofu. What are you... What are you doing? You're gonna sit on my hand. Do you mind? Oh, see what I mean? Like, that's how big he is. Like, Ragdoll and Maine Coon. Brita said he's not gonna get that big. He's already the size of an adult domestic short hair cat. I would know because I met one on the way, the journey of seeing Tofu. On the journey of getting him. Oh, you little idiot. Okay, goodbye. So that's the update.